Well, hello there, Guardians. I'm just doing a quick video to show you how to set up a automatic schedule for your classes. So here you see my main screen. I'm in my classrooms, and you can see them. They're actually kind of sorted by start time. So you can see the time of each class starts, and then because of that, the classes are kind of started with automatically. And that way, you don't need to remember to start your class when you can actually just go through your day normally, and it will come up automatically here where it says upcoming sessions. If you look at today's calendar, you can see all the classes and the times they're going to start. So that's pretty awesome. So how do you do that? Well, you just have to go to the class that you want to set up a schedule for and go to settings and go into edit class. Once you're in the class, you go into sessions, and here you can see the previous sessions that you've recorded. But if you go to settings and under scheduling, you can create and add a schedule. So let's pretend this, for example, is a fourth period class. So I'm going to go ahead and start the schedule. And I'm just going to pull up my schedule here to see what time the fourth period class starts. So it looks like my fourth period starts at 12:50 on Mondays and ends at 1:35. So I'm going to do that. I put 12:50. Now it will automatically default the end time to an hour after your starting time. We're going to do a PM here. So that's the automatic. But in my case, the class actually ends at 1:35. So I have to adjust that end time. And that's important to make sure that my scenes or anything else I have running doesn't automatically affect some other teacher's class. So I'm going to tag Monday and then add that to the schedule. I have a different schedule for the other days of the week. It's 12:40 to 1:30. So let me try to do that. So I do 12:40 p.m. to 1:30. And it does default for an hour later automatically. So if I don't want this ending at 1:40, which would interfere with the next teacher's class, I want to make sure to adjust the end time. So then I'll tag the days of the week that applies to, and I'll go add schedule, and then that's it. Now that you have a schedule over here, this class, this is just a custom session that I created called watch list, but I'm just doing this as a demonstration for you guys. But now that this has a start time, if I go to my classroom, right, that class will show up along with my fourth period class at the time that it starts. And just because I have my classes sorted by the time of day. And I do also tag them by subject using colors and symbols and things like that. But either way, this allows you to have your classes start automatically and end automatically. And the advantage of doing this is that you can make sure that your classes don't overlap with some other teachers' classes. And within the class, you can add or remove time later. And I have a different video that talks about that. If you need to extend a class or something like that. And if you have a day where the calendar is not going to be followed, all you have to do here is go to upcoming sessions, select all your sessions and cancel them for today. And then you can start the class automatically by hitting the start class for that day if you have an alternate schedule that day. But for most days, this will allow your classes to automatically start. And with that, if you have set up for tabs to automatically open at the start of class or for scenes to automatically activate, to start filtering things and or anything like that, it will automatically do that. The only thing it doesn't do is it automatically starts the chat or the offline filters. Those have to be manually activated within the session once the session starts to run. And I have a different video that talks about that too. So that is how you set up your schedule for a class. You just have to repeat that process for every single one of your classes, and then all of them will start at the time you want them to. All right.